Hey boys and girls, we have been learning about weather and severe weather for the past couple of weeks now. So today we're going to do a performance task to show what you know. You're going to create a weather poster and make a model or make a poster to help Poppy prepare for the park's birthday party. You're going to need a couple things to get started. First of all, you're going to need either some poster board. If you don't have that, it's okay. You could use any kind of paper that you have, but probably a little bit bigger so that it's a poster. Magazines or newspapers or anything that you can clip pictures out of. Or if you have a computer with a printer, you might be able to print some pictures off. You'll need scissors, glue sticks, and also markers. And so you're going to draw pictures or cut out pictures from magazines of the weather and glue them on your poster. When you are done with your poster, I would like for you to take a picture and post it on Seesaw with a little description about what's going on in your poster.